Hi. So now let us see few problems in this DFA. So till now we seen that theoretical discussion. So let us make this theoretical discussion more strong. Let us try to understand more deep by solving these problems actually. So we are going to take, we are going to discuss different flavors of questions actually. So actually solving the questions only you will understand more depth in this concept actually. So try to understand. So this is what the first question, we are going to construct a minimal DFA that is accepting all the binary strings including epsilon and excluding epsilon. So as we know epsilon meaning is what, 0 length word. So that we are representing with this epsilon. So now let us try to understand here. So the first one, if you observe, what is this one, including epsilon. So including epsilon meaning is what? First of all, what are the input symbols actually? Sigma equal to what? So input symbols are binary strings, that means input symbols are either 0 or 1. So this is what the set of input symbols. Now first of all, from this sigma what you can write down is sigma closure is what actually? As we discussed earlier already, sigma closure meaning is what actually? From the input symbol every possible length words we are considering from 0 length onwards. So what is 0 length word? For a whatever be the input symbols, 0 length word is always sigma, okay, and epsilon, and then one length is what? Every symbol you can write down, 0 is one length, 1 is one length, and 2 length, every combination from this you try to take actually. So that is what, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, then 3 length is what, 0 0 0. So like that any length actually, it is infinite. So this set is infinite set, we can say. And if you observe what he is saying, including epsilon, all possible binary strings including epsilon. So including 0 length actually. So here if you observe, this is 0 length words, these are 1 length words, and these are 2 length words, and these are 3 length words, like that it will be there. So its meaning is every possible length. So that is what language of machine is, what actually, this epsilon closure only, that means this set only, this set of words. Now let us try to see DFA, that is nothing but this machine is what. So what is DFA? So I am going to take only one state, Q naught. Always try to remember, because this is the first question, if you want to construct any mission with 0 length, that means as we discussed in one of the note, that means here if you see, if initial state is final state, if initial state is final state, then only 0 length word is possible in the language of mission actually. So that is why Q naught is initial state, and at the same time because it is a final state, it is accepting 0 length words. And what about remaining? So remaining, you can get 0, you will be in the same state because 0 is going to accept, or you are going to accept 1 also, is it or not? And then 2 length, 0 and then 0, 0 and then 1, 1 and then 0, 1 1. So 0 0 0, that means any length, if you give self edge with one state, you can define this mission actually. That means all binary strings including epsilon actually. So this is what DFA for the first one, okay. Now second one is what? So if you take the second one, that is also very simple. So second one, excluding epsilon. So excluding epsilon means, first of all, language of mission is going to become what? You should not take directly this one. Excluding epsilon means excluding this 0 length, that means remaining you are going to consider. So that is what, either 0 or 1, 0 1 length words, and then 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 2 length words. So like that it is continued, okay. So that is what language of mission. Now what is the DFA for this one, second one? So what is this mission actually? So, here if you observe, these are the one length words actually, these are one length words. So, minimum length word is what? 1. Okay. So, minimum length is 1, that means how many states you must have. So, here q naught is the initial state, and then at least one symbol you have to accept first of all. So, from here you are going to the next state q1, at least one symbol, so 0 or 1. After accepting at least one symbol, then any number of symbols you can accept. So, that is what. So, that means this is going to become final state, and here 0 or 1 actually. So, now you can see 0, on 0 it is in the final state, on 1 also it is in the final state. If it is 0 0, on 0 q naught to q1, and on 0 again in the q1. So, on 0 1, 0 and 1. So, you take any word that is definitely going to accept this epsilon actually 0 length words. So, in this manner we can construct the DFA actually. So, in the coming lectures let us see more complex problems.